Hey everyone, this is Kevin T. Rodriguez, film critic of iCritic.net. Here, welcome to my media channel, and today we're going to unbox Barbie. We have some pink in our lives. So obviously it's the 100-year anniversary of Warner Brothers, but despite the gold headline that's been on most of these releases, this one has it pink. As you can see, it's very glittery, very pinkish. This is probably going to be the pinkest movie on my shelf. And you look on the side, it just continues. On the back, Margot Robbie is in full display. There's the PG-13 rating because this is not a kid's movie. So if the disc is not pink, I'm going to be very disappointed. So let's take this cover off, and as you can see, it's still very pink underneath, but no longer glittery because they use that for the covers. I like how even the highlighting is done in pink. Everything is pink, 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 except for the case. I almost wish the case was pink. I think that would have been really, really neat. But hey, at least it can be this pink because the Blu-ray cover, which we can't show here, is actually very blue, and that's disappointing. If I'm having a Barbie movie, I want it to be as pink as possible. So let's take this off, and let's see. Please be a pink disc. Please be a yes. It's a pink disc. Oh, I didn't take the code out. Oh well, folks, that's going to be redeemed before this goes up, so don't look for it. So, wow. And look, it's an HDR. Wow, I love it. I love how pink that is. Is there a alternate cover? Nope. No reversible cover, just this. This is pink all around. So here's the thing. I don't have a whole lot to say about this one. Although I will say, if you're going to buy this, man, get it with this glossy glitter cover, because it is just so, it's pink. I don't know how many times I can say it, but it is just so pink and beautiful. And I love it. I just love how it embraces femininity in this cover. It's so awesome. Anyway, I'm looking forward to watching this again. So I would love to know, do any of you have this? What do you think about it? Love to know. Comment below. Like, favorite, share, subscribe. And, man, that's a lot of pink. Flame responsibly. Have a good one.